Hey YouTube, hello friends. Hope all of you stay safe, healthy and fine. Today I am going to discuss about the amazing fact of earthworms, which we all seen once. Hope you enjoy this video with some surprises. So without skipping, watch up to end of the video. Okay, let's start. Fact 1. Earthworms have the ability to replace or replicate lost segments. This ability varies greatly depending on the species of worms you have, the amount of damage to the worms and where it is cut. It may be easy for a worm to replace a lost tail, but may be very difficult or impossible to replace a lost head if things are not just right. Fact 2. Earthworms come in a seemingly infinite variety, around 6,000 species worldwide. One of the most familiar of them, the sort you may see in your garden, is commonly known as the night crawler. It typically surfaces after dark. The angelworms, which generally makes popular bait for fishing, and the rainworms, which generally leaves waterlogged soil after storms. Fact 3. Earthworms have no eyes, no ears, no teeth, but they do have 5 hearts. Strange. Did you know? Earthworms are covered in tiny hairs. While earthworms may appear very smooth and slippery, they are in fact covered in tiny hairs that allow them to move easily through soil. These hairs are a bit like Velcro. Wow. Fact 4. Each earthworm is male and female, producing both eggs and sperm. And baby worms hatch from cocoons. They can produce 2 to 3 cocoons a week, each containing 1 to 7 hatchlings. Fact 5. An earthworm can grow only so long. A well-fed will depend on what kind of worm it is, how many segments it has, how old it is and how well-fed it is, as Lumbricus terrestris will be from 80 to 300 millimeters long. Wow! The longest earthworms ever found was in South Africa and measured 22 feet from its nose to the tip of its tail. Fact 6. Those who are farming or gardening knows that worm poo is really friendly to them. Worms eat dirt, absorbing plant and animal matter into their body and passing the rest. This is known as worm crusts, which providing nutrient to the soil and helping plant grow and fighting off disease. Did you know this fact before? Fact 7. The amazing fact is it can eat the same amount of its weight each day. Even though worms don't have eyes, they can sense light, especially at their interior. They move away from light and will become paralyzed if exposed to light for 1 hour or more. An important fact about worms that it can survive up to 6 years. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel Altainment. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, healthy and fine. Thank you.